There's another thing I would like to talk. Something that bothers me since a long time ago, and I just don't get it. Maybe all of you experience it. If you get to a shop and you get by the till and you see you're busy paying for your groceries or whatever you buy, you see there's little boxes here with sweets and whatever it is, but there's no prices on it. My brain tells me if I sit there and I pay for my stuff and I open my purse and the credit card and I pay, then I see the stuff. Maybe I want a sweet or a chocolate or something, but there's no price. You're busy already, but your brain tells you you have maybe change, you want to buy it with this little extra change or a few rands in your, maybe you can't afford it, whatever. Why don't they put a price on there? Then you can figure out what it is. And then you can quickly go and make this calculation and say, okay, let's add it to my groceries or whatever. But they don't put a price on. You must always ask for what is the cost of this stuff? What is it cost? What does it cost you? So I just don't get it. Don't you think better to put a price on it there and people can see it and they will sell more stuff? Hey! So there's another thing. The people next to you in South Africa, here by the robots, they have this placard with glasses and cell phone chargers or whatever. If they could put a big thing on there, 5 rand, 20 rand, then you see you stand in the traffic and your robot, you measure in the robot, you will make it, and then you have 5 rand in your purse or somewhere in your glove box. Then you can, I think, let's pay, I want it, and then you call him and you quickly pay, and then you. But they don't have prices on there. Don't you think they will sell more if they put the prices on there? This maybe a separate thing, 20 rand, 50 bucks for a pair of sunglasses or whatever. But this is how my brain thinks. I think this is better business. I don't know if you can concur or whatever you think of it. This is just my thinking. Okay, let me know. And if you like this video, subscribe, ring the bell, and see you next time.